From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, hopefully everyone had a nice Easter. Definitely was a cool kind of dreary day at times. Some misty drizzles out there as well. Only got up to 65 here in Lafayette. Still feeling pretty good for our overnights and early mornings over the next few days. At high temperatures, we'll be running slightly below normal with some rain chances as we head into the middle parts of the week. So we'll dive into that in just a second. But first, here's a satellite radar composite. And again, clouds are hanging tough here locally in Acadiana. Notice the clearing line still off to our north into the northern parts of the state and into Mississippi and Alabama. So not sure if we're going to get back to fair skies overnight tonight. As a result, temperatures won't fall a whole lot more, although I think most of us at least get into the upper 50s, mid 50s possible for northern Acadiana for those official low temperatures. Upper level pattern, we have this upper level disturbance that's still kind of getting into shape here and form over the next several hours, and essentially that's going to be diving southward, and it's actually going to induce surface low pressure out in the Gulf of Mexico, and that will keep the pattern somewhat unsettled for the northern Gulf Coast as we head into the middle parts of the week. So here's how it plays out with the graph model. Again, it is cautiously optimistic that we're going to get back to fair skies, but again, not too sure about that, but still we'll say mid to upper 50s first thing tomorrow morning, and then we'll call it partly sunny throughout our Monday, meaning we'll see more cloud cover than sunshine as a whole. Temperatures into lower 70s by the afternoon. Rain chances will sit no better than around 5%. And then here we go. That surface low starts to develop out in the Gulf of Mexico as we head into Tuesday. And for us, we're looking at partly cloudy skies Tuesday afternoon. Temperatures at least getting into the mid 70s. I think the heaviest of the precipitation remaining offshore as this surface low slowly tracks to the north here. Now, it's not going to be anything tropical. This particular feature not really having any tropical characteristics, more or less kind of a hybrid system. But nonetheless, some of the shower activity is going to start to migrate inland beginning at least late Tuesday afternoon. So rain chances will be bumped up to around 30% there. And then again, as it slowly lifts northward, we're going to maintain some scattered rain chances Wednesday going into Thursday. But again, really the heaviest of the rainfall should be setting up slightly east of this surface low. But still, we're going to keep an eye on it here over the next couple of days. It finally lifts northward into Friday. We start to dry out. It's going to be warmer, though, lower 80s Friday afternoon before the pattern could turn even a little bit more unsettled for the upcoming weekend with scattered storm chances remaining. As far as the rainfall amounts here with the first system moving through for the middle parts of the week, again, it's really hard to tell, but still we'll say about a half an inch, maybe upwards of a 3/4 of an inch possible here locally. But again, I do think the heaviest of the rainfall more than likely setting up more so offshore and then points off to the east. But again, still something we'll monitor here over the next few days. Temperatures tonight, again, feeling pretty good. Mid 50s for the low temperature, northern Acadiana, mid to upper 50s along the I-10 corridor. And I think most of you along the coastal regions probably stuck in the lower 60s. Again, thanks to that cloud cover, will be in the lower 70s tomorrow afternoon. 57, the projected low, at least here in Lafayette. And that's pretty much right where we should be for the time of year. 73 if we're lucky tomorrow afternoon. Again, we'll call it partly sunny. And then here we go. The rain chances up just a little bit for the middle parts of the week, as we will have those pesky showers kind of lurking around the area. It is a tricky forecast, but nonetheless, we are going to maintain rain chances at least Tuesday through about Thursday. Friday looks all right, but a little bit warmer, lower 80s into Friday afternoon. And then there's a better signal for some scattered storm chances as we head into the following weekend there, Taylor.
Good stuff. Thank you for that, Bradley. Those pesky showers, I'm telling you.